PepTribe! Professor Pepper here. Professor Pep just explained GHK-Cu from the science side. Copper delivery, collagen signaling, gene regulation, antioxidant defense, tissue remodeling. Now let's talk about why that matters in real life. Most people hear GHK-Cu and think, skin peptide. And yes, skin is part of the story. But GHK-Cu is really about something bigger: repair quality. Think about it like this. When your body repairs tissue, the goal is not just to cover the damage. The goal is to rebuild something strong, flexible, and functional. That means collagen has to organize, elastin has to support structure, the extracellular matrix has to stay healthy, oxidative stress has to be managed, and the tissue has to remodel in a way that actually works. That's why GHK-Cu gets attention in conversations around skin quality, wound recovery, hair health, connective tissue support, and healthy aging. Because these are all places where structure matters. Skin is not just about appearance. Skin is a barrier. Hair follicles are active biological systems. Connective tissue helps hold the body together. Collagen gives tissue strength. And when those systems are supported, people notice. They notice firmer skin. They notice better-looking tissue quality. They notice recovery that feels more complete. They notice the difference between patched up and truly rebuilt. That's also why GHK-Cu belongs in the CLO series. BPC 157 helps coordinate repair. TB 500 helps the repair process move. KPV helps calm the inflammatory environment. GHK-Cu helps guide the rebuild. It brings the structure piece, the collagen piece, the skin and tissue remodeling piece. And maybe most importantly, the "let's rebuild this better" piece. That's the real-world meaning. GHK-Cu is not just about glow, it's about resilience. It's about repair that has quality behind it. It's about helping the body maintain structure as we age, train, recover, and heal. Professor Pepper's bottom line? Looking better is nice, but rebuilding better is the real story. That's why GHK-Cu matters. Science, community, clarity. That's the PepTribe way. Like, comment, follow, and subscribe below for more PepTribe peptide education.